In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add blog posts to Shopify website. We'll start right inside your Shopify admin. Once you're signed in, make sure you're on the home dashboard so you can get to things quickly. At the top, click into the search bar and type blog or add blog post. Shopify's global search is the fastest way to reach the article editor without digging through menus. In the results, choose Add Blog Post to open a brand new article page. On the editor screen, click into the title field and give your post a clear, descriptive headline. Next, click in the main content area to write your article. Use the rich text toolbar to format headings, add bold or italics for emphasis, insert links, and place images within the body if you need them. Keep paragraphs short and scannable, and make your first few lines engaging so readers keep going. Scroll to the Excerpt section and add a brief summary. This snippet appears on your blog listing pages and in some theme sections, so aim for 1 to 3 sentences that entice a click without giving everything away. Open the search engine listing section and choose the option to edit it. Here, customize your page title, meta description, and URL handle. Keep the title concise. Write a natural description around 150 to 160 characters, and use a clean URL that reflects your topic. Check visibility to decide whether the post should be live now or hidden while you're drafting. If you want it to go out later, schedule a publish date and time so it launches automatically. Add a featured image for the article. Pick a high-quality, on-brand visual, and consider adding alt text for accessibility and better search context. Set the author so the correct writer is credited. If your store has multiple contributors, this keeps your content organized and consistent. Choose the blog this article belongs to. From the drop-down, select an existing option such as news. If you don't have a suitable blog yet, create a new one from this same menu, give it a clear name, and then select it so the post files into the right place. Add tags to help organize your content and improve filtering on your storefront. Use simple, consistent keywords that match the themes of your post. When everything looks right, click Save. Your post will be saved as a draft or published immediately based on the visibility you selected. That's all it takes to add a blog post to your Shopify website with the essential details set for a clean presentation and solid discoverability.